you like this video, please subscribe to my channel So You Gaming.